best event of the year. That's why we've gone big this year. We've got our biggest stand yet. Super excited to be here. It's given us a great chance to meet customers, to meet potential prospects. It's great, we can't miss it.
London Build for us is the highlight of our year. It's a huge event, loads of energy. People seem to travel from all over the UK and we get lots of exposure and lots of leads from that.
It's the quality of people and the quantity of people and the organisation. It's what I would call a 21st century exhibition.
We've got a huge team here today. All the sales team are excited to be here. It really helps their end of year to speak to people today and get those conversations going. So there's always a big buzz about it.
So what we've found since coming here, the amount of leads that we get off the back of this is absolutely brilliant, and it's automatically sent here.
There's always people that don't know your full capability, that might not realise there's products that you do, and it's a great way of teaching them and interacting with them. Even with existing customers, we have a lot of those come, and it's a great way to meet up with them and kind of refresh their minds of what we do too.
And what's great about London Build is that it brings all of those different speakers and opinions and learnings together under one roof. So the ground you can cover in 1 or 2 days at a conference is unlike anything else.
Any opportunity to get in front of this many people in 1-2 days, there's nothing else like it.
If you really want to find a space where you can liaise with everyone under one roof and not just technology or not just hardware, this is the place to be.
We just booked our stand right now for next year. We've already done it. So it's the hub for construction, I think, in the UK, so you have to be here.